Mheshimiwa Engineer Kerago, Archbishop wetu, Bishop Wangombe, the House of Clergy, Your Excellency, our Deputy President, Governor, all protocols observed, na andwa Lemuru, Agarariga, na ashirika itu othe a kanitha wa Idi mwathani agocwo. God is good, and all the time, and that is his nature. Archbishop Wangombe niwe onanie, ona utuika ndaciarirwo kanitha wa BVA, thakame na roho ndi wa Idi. Tondu niwe roho wakwa no wakwaga kugura guoya, kana kwenderio guoya, na kuga ma uria tarie. Koguo ne nyonaga tigaciaria kwa mandereire kanitha wa BVA. Korwo ni nie nderirwo thure, thime na roho wakwa ukoragwo nyitanite na wa Regina Mburu na wa Bernardi aria mataguraga guoya. Na uguo Archbishop wauga, Your Excellency, you are aware, kanitha uyu ni warugamire na ithue pio. Na tondu we niwe underwriter wa shareholders a thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza, ashirika ya kanitha wa Idi no nginya share yao matinirio ya thirikari eno. Tondu gwako kuri andu maruire hamwe na ithue ni kanitha wa Idi. Ona aria angi othe menderio guoya, inyuĩ mutietekerie kugura guoya, na ndimucokerie ngatho ni gwitikira kurugama na ithue na muthiona kunyitirira thirikari eno oria muramenyitireire na mahoya maikia mahigo oria maikirie tia gas kanitha-ini wa Idi mukamacokeria na mahoya. Ona riu maikia maandamano mukamacokeria na mahoya, nigetha turute wira uria twahoire andu a Kenya matuhe, tutongoretio ni Deputy President witu na President witu William Ruto. Archbishop ni undu wa matha, tondu Deputy President ni arathie kwamukira President haha ndonyo njeru, na nie nigukuhoete rutha na ndahoya Deputy President ndina mucemanio ndirathie Nairobi. Ndikwenda kuga maundu maingi, no tondu ni ndaigua mutirenda handshake, nikio ndaigua roho wanyu ni uratwarana na wakwa na ugatwarana wa Deputy President, na ndimwire ni muraiguire ona iyo President witu Rwanda, na nikio turoria runa itu na gitio kinene tukamera we are ready to talk, and we want to talk about the people-centered issues as much as we talk about the leadership and governance issues that affect our country. And we are inviting all our friends. We have heard and listened to all their demands. 4 of them. They want us to reconsider the reconstitution of IEBC. And we have said and we confirmed through the bipartisan parliamentary process, we are ready to engage on that. They want us to open servers, and we have told them those servers were opened in the Supreme Court. We have no key, but we have a key to open a discussion on how we recover the economic losses that we have made over the last 5 years, courtesy of the handshake and the handshake regime. They want us to reinstate the Cherera 4. It is unconstitutional. We have no means of doing things that are unconstitutional against our statutes and our constitution. I think the last thing I've heard is on the cost of living. Every day, the Deputy President, the President are focused on implementation of the plan, the manifesto we sold to the people of Kenya to bring down the cost of living. We have heard them telling us that they want us to reinstate the subsidies that were there before the elections. And I want to ask our brother Raila Odinga, the Minister of Agriculture in the former regime, under the handshake regime, Peter Munya, a month before the elections, announced to the country that the maize subsidy was not sustainable, and they withdrew it. How do you want us to reinstate what Peter Munya, Uhuru Kenyatta, and yourself, you said was unsustainable? The Auditor General, the Controller of Budget, have told us that all those subsidies were ridden with corruption. And we have told you we will not re-engage the cartels of state capture. We will not continue feeding the cartels. And Archbishop, thank you. In your short word, you have told us that this oil here we'll break altars, we'll break curses. Archbishop, I want to tell you, even in this government, there are altars of state capture that we have purpose to break, and we shall break them. There are altars of corruption through subsidies for consumption that we must break, and we shall break them. Kwa hivyo, Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais, ile kazi wewe na rais mmetupea kwa bunge tutaifanya, and with finesse tutaifanya vizuri. Tutajadiliana yale mambo yote ambayo tunaweza kujadiliana kufuatilia mujibu wa katiba na sheria zetu. Yale mnatuambia turudishe mambo ya corruption, hayo hatutafanya. Kama kwenda tumeke. La mwisho, nimesikia wakisema that we are obsessed with handshake and nusu mkate. It is not us who are obsessed. It is you, our brothers, who are obsessed with nusu mkate, national accord and handshakes. Na sababu nimesikia dada yangu wa Mushomba akisema ati kama iko mkate inakatwa, hiyo mkate iko na William Ruto na Rigathi Gachagua. Kisu ni mimi nimeshika na siachili. Hiyo kisu mimi siwezi achilia. Muniite hardliner, muniite nini? Hawa wananchi wa Limuru na wa Kenya wenye walitupigia kura wamesema Rigathi Gachagua na William Ruto washike mkate wagawie wa Kenya wote. Na mimi nishike kisu na digenegera kahiyo kau mundu utari wagerera kahiyo ine. Kama mukwenda tuna ndakia kahiyo. Mukwenda ndakia kahiyo. Nishikilie kisu. Rigathi na Ruto washikilie mkate. Wahakikishe hiyo mkate imefikia kila Mkenya, so that we don't continue feeding the monster of impunity. We don't continue feeding the monster of state capture. Oguo niguo mauga andu agarariga. Kanitha wa idi oguo niguo mwatua. Turege na mugate ugairwo Kenya yothe. Ndukagairwo aria meciragia Kenya ni ya mbare igiri kana ithatu. Ona matwenderia guoya. Ona mauga ni meguikia mahiga. Ni mwauga oguo maikia mahiga na moko maikeria mahoya mumaneane kwe mwathani amahonokie matige guitanga thakame ya Kenya na kuiya indo cia andu nginya maiyage mochari. Muri mwaigua mundu raia mochari? Mwathani amurathime, ndiri muhonoku no kahiyo ndagete nako na gitio kinene muno. Mujitikirie Deputy President tone ngwihoete ndina mucemanio na ambassador Nairobi, todo ona mabururi ma thungu ni merite mundu ucio githurano ni giathirire na wacindirwo flat. No na gia 2027 tuambie rafiki yetu Raila Odinga, wacha kudanganywa. Hao watu wanakudanganya saa hii mambo ya national accord, wanakutupa. Wewe jipange mambo ya 2027. Na nikipima nikiona Rigathi Gachagua hapo na William Ruto, na nikiona ile kazi wameanza kufanya ya kuteremsha bei ya maisha, najua wewe 2027 utaoshwa asubuhi kama bado hujatoka kwa kitanda. Kwa heshima nimuulize governor wetu, governor wa Kiambu County, Mheshimiwa Amatagi, kuja useme jambo kisha utualikie naibu wa rais wetu. Mutigona Ngai na mwathani amurathime na muthie na mbere na gutuhoera.
Asante sana, thank you muno.